नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल लाइव टेक अपडेट्स में। तो दोस्तों आज Realme ने अपना नया स्मार्टफोन लॉन्च कर दिया है जिसका नाम है Realme X3 एंड Realme X3 Super Zoom। तो चलिए देख लेते हैं इसके फीचर्स और स्पेसिफिकेशन के बारे में।
So delivering onto the user's demand, we bring to you the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Super Zoom. The Realme X3 Super Zoom is equipped with an all-new periscope camera with 60x Super Zoom. Although the name is Super Zoom, Super is not just defining the powerful zoom camera, but it is also defining all other aspects of the phone. Let's first take a closer look at the X3 Super Zoom's super design. For our X3 Super Zoom, we have chosen two colors, Glacier Blue and Arctic White. Now, these two distinct colors are also very distinct in their textures. While the Glacier Blue version uses a highlighted glass surface to give a very shiny and a reflective effect, as well as a striking light effect, while the Arctic White is more restrained and pure. The Arctic White uses the anti-glare process that gives this beautiful back a matte finish, which is popularly used on high-end products. To achieve this elegant texture that is combined with pure white, it requires 6 light coatings through the selection of 25% haze value and 0.15 micron roughness. It just feels like snow in the Arctic sunshine. Now I will show you a few more pictures of the Realme X3 Super Zoom to get a better look of its super design. Aren't these just beautiful? Next is the part I'm most excited about, the Super Zoom feature. Based on the highly appreciated 64-megapixel eagle-eye quad camera, the X3 Super Zoom delivers an upgrade from its telephoto lens to the periscope lens. Combined with the 64-megapixel main camera, the Realme X3 Super Zoom can achieve up to 60x hybrid zoom, which will further expand the usage spread of the phone's camera. It also has an ultra-wide-angle lens and a macro lens. The camera in X3 Super Zoom has up to 8 million pixels with 5x optical zoom functionality and focal length 124 mm. Combined with Realme's zoom algorithm, it can achieve a hybrid zoom of up to 60x, which is also one of the strongest periscope lenses in the industry. Let's take a look at a sample picture. From 1x to 5x
to 10x
to 60x, the Realme X3 Super Zoom can achieve a very impressive zoom effect. The algorithm of the periscope lens is such that it improves the clarity and quality of the picture taken. Furthermore, if combined with the advantages of the hardware and software, the zoom of the X3 Super Zoom will produce an outstanding effect. In a nutshell, in the same price segment, the Realme X3 Super Zoom has the stronger zoom camera. As you can see, the media is already raving about it. Let me now backtrack a bit. I hope that everyone has seen the starry sky sample picture that we shot with the Realme X3 Super Zoom a long time ago. Well, to your surprise, we have not only added a periscope telephoto camera to the X3 Super Zoom, but we have also deeply optimized the software to unleash the real power of your camera system. This time, we bring to you the all-new Nightscape 4.0. And with it is a very special feature, something that will take you closer to the stars, the Starry mode. With the help of the Starry mode, I believe that Realme X3 Super Zoom will definitely set a new trend in the mobile photography space. Let's take a look again at that sample picture. If you ask me about the secret ingredient that helped us bring this stunning starry sky photography feature to you, it would be too modest to say that hardware is the only foundation. What we have actually done is that we have deeply integrated high-quality lens, high-sensitivity sensors, and extreme multi-frame algorithms to finally bring to you the perfect starry sky feature. Let me also highlight the autofocus feature. This can automatically help in focusing on a particular element, even in the farthest starry sky. The autofocus takes more than 10 ultra-long exposure photos and eventually processes it with multi-frame synthesis. At the end of this process, the camera is able to perfectly reproduce every detail of the starry sky, along with balanced brightness and less noise. But it isn't as simple as it may look. There are three major steps in multi-frame synthesis algorithms. The first step in this process is to brighten the dark stars that were originally invisible to the naked eye and make the galaxy look even brighter. This will bring out some gorgeous starry sky photos. The second step revolves around intelligent alignment that automatically aligns multiple photos through AI and eliminates ghosting and unnecessary movement of stars in the long exposure. In a nutshell, this step extensively improves the clarity of the stars in the photo. The third and the final step entails intelligent multi-frame noise reduction, which improves the purity of the dark parts in the sky. Another highlight of the Starry Sky mode is that it supports both the 64-megapixel primary camera as well as the 5x periscope lens. Let me show you a few stunning Starry Sky photos first. This particular photo is shot with a 64-megapixel primary camera. Can you see how the stars and the Milky Way are perfectly reproduced from the dark sky? In fact, they look much brighter than what a human eye can see. And just take a look at the ground, too. You can clearly see the lake there. The next photo is a starry shot with a car, thanks to the wide angle of the primary camera that can cover both the starry sky and elements on the ground, while keeping them well balanced together. On another note, if you love seeing constellations, there is nothing better than using this 5x periscope lens. This lens makes it more convenient to zoom in and shoot even a small constellation such as the Lyra. I'm sure you must be thinking that this constellation shot will be a perfect wallpaper for your phone or laptop screen. With the Nightscape 4.0, we have also incorporated an additional feature, a manual Pro Nightscape mode, with which you can not only adjust ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus, but also the same multi-frame synthesis algorithm as the Super Night Scene to improve the night scene effects even further. Trust me, Realme X3 Super Zoom definitely deserves to be called the best night shot smartphone. But having said that, what if you don't want to manually adjust the settings at all? Well, you can just choose the AI mode. Also, you can shift between a normal nightscape and an ultra nightscape mode according to the required light condition. For example, if the light is extremely weak, the ultra nightscape mode can be activated, which will make everything more visible at night. Besides that, we have added a tripod mode as well. It will keep the phone sturdy while you take your best night shot. After seeing some of these beautiful night shots, I believe that Realme X3 Super Zoom is worthy of its best night shot smartphone claim. And once you use it, I'm sure that you will believe it too. Now, for those of you who like to adapt to different night shooting scenes, we have incorporated 5 shooting modes for you. As long as you select the correct mode, anyone can shoot a perfect night view photo. In addition to the night shooting feature, our flagship model X3 Super Zoom, like our 5G flagship X50 Pro, is rich and powerful in shooting videos for making a perfect vlog. Let's see how. This will be your perfect partner to shoot any and every kind of video. For those of you who have a knack for selfies and are always craving for better photos, we have got 2 powerful cameras inbuilt in the Realme X3 Super Zoom. Let's take a look at their configuration. We have chosen dual cameras here, that is a 32-megapixel Sony 80 degrees wide angle for the main camera with IMX616 and an 8-megapixel 105-degree super wide-angle camera. With this upgrade of ultra-wide-angle selfie mode, the shooting range is now 2.5 times more. The front camera is specially optimized for portrait mode, and it ensures that the face looks bright even in low-light conditions with the selfie nightscape feature. This is the super camera of the Realme X3 Super Zoom. We believe that it would be the most powerful camera phone in this segment in the entire industry. Let's now talk about super speed. The Realme X3 Super Zoom sets a new milestone in terms of performance metrics. The phone is equipped with a flagship Snapdragon 855 Plus mobile platform, which is the best one in the 4G smartphone category. In fact, at the cost of sounding a bit repetitive, I want to again announce that the Realme X3 Super Zoom is the most powerful smartphone with Snapdragon 855 Plus. This is because it could reach up to 517743 in Antutu, which is the highest score amongst all Snapdragon 855 Plus phones. In comparison to our last generation offering, the Realme X3 Super Zoom delivers nearly 25% better performance, which I'm proud to mention as one of the great achievements for Realme. The Realme X3 Super Zoom is also equipped with TurboWrite and HPB technology that increases reading and writing speeds and can also maintain the speed consistency even after long-term use. In terms of ROM, the Realme X3 Super Zoom is upgraded with dual-channel UFS 3.0. The speed of reading and writing of UFS 3.0 is 83.3% and 63.6% faster than that of UFS 2.1. Theoretically, the speed can reach up to 1500 MB per second. That has the potential to accelerate the app booting by more than 40%. Now it's time to showcase our next feature, the Super Display. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. When compared with the current mainstream smartphone screens, the frame rate of Realme X3 Super Zoom is increased by 100%. So every move on the display is reproduced smoothly and comfortably. Not just that, in comparison to 60 Hz on normal phones, in Realme X3 Super Zoom, the number of frames per second reaches 120, which means it's 2 times smoother than 60 Hz. Not to forget, the Realme X3 Super Zoom is quite intelligent, and it can adjust refresh rate automatically according to running apps to provide a better balance between experience and power consumption. Gaming has always been intrinsic to all smartphone manufacturers since forever. To provide a smoother gaming experience to our users, we have combined with the power of Super Display the 120 Hz Ultra Smooth Display. These are a list of games that will be supported by the 120 Hz Ultra Smooth Display. The Realme X3 Super Zoom also stands tall on its display quality with a screen-to-body ratio as high as 90.5%. The display of the phone offers FHD Plus level resolution, a 20:9 aspect ratio, 480 nits peak brightness, and is also protected by 2.5D Gorilla Glass 5. Charging has also been another pain point for a lot of smartphone users. I'm happy to share that the Realme X3 Super Zoom delivers a supercharging speed. It comes with a 30-watt dart charge, and it takes only 55 minutes to charge the 4200 mAh battery fully. When compared with other flagships, Realme X3 Super Zoom dominates them due to its obvious advantages, as you can see here. Next is about super experience. To offer a super experience to the users, the Realme X3 Super Zoom uses a unique cooling mechanism. A special liquid cooling system has been introduced, which consists of several different high-efficient cooling materials that provide 100% full coverage to the core heating source. This helps to significantly reduce the temperature of the phone, especially during high performance. To stay true to our DNA of being a young, outstanding, and a stylish smartphone brand, the Realme X3 Super Zoom will offer the latest generation side-mounted fingerprint sensor with an unlock time of only 0.3 seconds. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently located, giving you a fast and even more accurate unlock experience. I can assure you that every touch on the Realme X3 Super Zoom will be an enjoyable experience, which is because of the tactile linear motor on the phone. As for sound, Realme X3 Super Zoom is equipped with 1216 super linear speakers and supports Dolby Atmos and high-res certification, which is excellent in both loudness and sound quality. It also supports dual-channel GPS in L1 plus L5 bands, which could provide more accurate location service and navigation experience. Okay, it's time to sum it up. So the Realme X3 Super Zoom, super camera, super performance, and super experience for you. I can assure you that the smartphone can be and should be the best flagship in the segment. We also have another model for you to choose from, the Realme X3. This phone is another amazing option for you. It will be equipped with the same powerful specifications, including Snapdragon 855 Plus, a 120Hz display, and the same Starry mode. The only difference is the front camera and the 20x 64-megapixel quad camera. But we promise you that it won't compromise on any of the core user experiences. Let's watch a short video of the Realme X3 and the Realme X3 Super Zoom.
Realme X3 Series, 60x Super Zoom, Super Speed, Realme smartphone.
Finally, it's time to unveil the super prices.
The Realme X3 Super Zoom is available in two variants, 12GB 256GB and a lower variant with 8GB 128GB. The price for Realme X3 Super Zoom 12GB 256GB would be priced at rupees 32,999 rupees only. The Realme X3 Super Zoom 8GB 128GB would be priced at 27,999 rupees. Yes, we have two more variants for Realme X3 as well, with 8GB 128GB and 6GB 128GB. The price for Realme X3 8GB 128GB would be priced at 25,999 rupees. The Realme X3 6GB 128GB would be priced at rupees 24,999 rupees only. The Realme X3 series will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com, with the first sale starting from 12 noon on 30th June and will be soon available in the stores nearby you.
तो दोस्तों अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो यार इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और साथ ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। हाँ और हाँ, बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि मेरी अगली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको ज़रूर मिल जाए।